Hi guys, welcome to the Youth Writers Club. I am Jalal Yegane. In this program, I want to start a discussion about tips and tricks of screenwriting. This program is to someone who just decided to open a door toward exciting screenwriting world, as well as to someone who is struggling in the flame of screenwriting hell. If you already finished your draft and you want to polish it before you pass it to your friend and sit waiting for their positive, joyful remarks, welcome to the Youth Writers Club. If you're stuck at the middle of your screenplay and you're scrambling to step forward, welcome to the Youth Writers Club. If you have a story in your mind and you believe it worth to expand it and create a screenplay upon it, welcome to the Youth Writers Club. If you have a raw idea and you resolve to transmute it to a charming screenplay, welcome to the Youth Writers Club. But if you don't have any idea how to start, come on, I've got something for you also. Welcome to the stupendous, magical, rewarding art of screenwriting. Thank you for viewing this video. If you are determined to be a successful screenwriter, follow me here. Please press the like button below and click on the link on the screen to subscribe to my YouTube channel.